Hey guys, are you want to buy best multi-rotor drone? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best multi-rotor drone that's are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Bwine Multi-Rotor Drone. The Bwine F7 Drone is a premium, FAA certified drone offering unmatched aerial photography and flight performance. Equipped with a detachable 4K camera, 120 degrees FOV lens, and a 3-axis gimbal with 5x digital zoom, it captures ultra-clear, stable footage even during night flights or varying distances. With three 2600 mAh intelligent batteries, it delivers up to 75 minutes of total flight time, and a 65W fast charger fully recharges batteries in just 1.5 hours. The drone's 1806 brushless motor, compass, gyroscope, and barometer provide stable control at altitudes up to 2000 m, with L6 wind resistance for calm, precise flights. GPS functionality ensures safe operation with auto return on low battery, signal loss, or via one-key return, while advanced app features allow FPV sharing, photo/video editing with filters, and background music. The package includes the drone, batteries, carrying case, transmitter, USB cables, propellers, and tools, backed by a 2-year warranty and responsive customer support for worry-free flying. Now our second product is Redrie Multi-Rotor Drone. The JY02 Drone is the perfect entry-level drone for beginners seeking an exciting and safe flying experience. Its one-key start and upgraded hover system allow easy control and stable flight, making it simple to capture high-quality aerial footage. Equipped with an adjustable 1080p HD camera, the drone provides crisp photos and live video streaming via the Redrie Fly app and FPV transmission, allowing you to explore and share stunning views in real time. With fun features like waypoint fly, gesture selfie, 360 degrees flips, voice control, circle fly, rotation fly, 3-speed modes, and headless mode, the JY02 offers endless entertainment for both beginners and experienced pilots. Dual rechargeable batteries extend flight time up to 25 minutes, while safety features such as overcurrent protection, emergency stop, propeller guards, and low battery alerts ensure worry-free operation. Compact and portable with a storage case, this drone is an ideal gift for family and friends. Our third product is Stone GPS Drone. The Stone HS175G Drone is an upgraded, adult-friendly drone designed for an exceptional aerial experience. Featuring a 4K EIS camera with SONY CMOS sensor, 120 degrees wide-angle lens, and 90 degrees adjustable tilt, it captures stunning high-resolution photos and ultra-smooth videos. The 5 GHz FPV transmission ensures stable footage even in high-speed or windy conditions. GPS-assisted flight allows the drone to automatically return home when the signal is lost, out of range, or the battery is low, offering peace of mind. With 2 batteries providing up to 60 minutes of flight time and fast single battery charging, the HS175G keeps you flying longer without interruptions. Beginner-friendly features include altitude hold, optical flow, headless mode, one-key takeoff/landing, and speed adjustment. Brushless motors deliver robust power and precision, while intelligent functions like automatic follow, waypoint flight, and point circle mode enhance versatility. Lightweight and foldable under 250 g, it comes with a carrying case for easy portability and FAA-compliant travel. Now number 4, Weavixol Multi-Rotor Drone. The K13 Brushless Drone is an excellent choice for beginners seeking an easy-to-fly, feature-packed drone. Equipped with durable brushless motors, it provides reliable power and long-lasting performance. The mini drone features a 1080p camera with a 110 degrees wide-angle lens, manually adjustable up to 90 degrees, allowing you to capture stunning aerial photos and videos to share instantly. Lightweight at under 250 g, it requires no FAA registration and includes 2 rechargeable batteries for up to 30 minutes of flight time. Beginner-friendly functions like one-touch takeoff/landing, headless mode, 360 degrees flips, and altitude hold make mastering flight simple. The included controller has a built-in display for convenience, and careful level calibration plus trim adjustments ensure stable, precise control. Connect your mobile phone via Wi-Fi for live video streaming, while following the recommended first flight tips ensures a safe and enjoyable flying experience. Ideal for novices, the K13 delivers fun, skill-building drone adventures. And our last choice is Dazlen Multi-Rotor Drone. The 1080p adjustable FPV drone by Dazlen is a versatile and beginner-friendly aerial companion, perfect for both kids and adults. Equipped with a 1080p HD camera and a 90 degrees adjustable lens, it delivers stunning aerial photography from multiple perspectives. Connect via the Dazlen FPV app to enjoy real-time FPV viewing, capturing, and sharing extraordinary moments on social media. This drone offers a variety of intelligent features including one-button takeoff/landing, headless mode, optical flow positioning, 3 speed modes, gravity control, trajectory flight, 360 degrees flips, and gesture-controlled photos/videos, making it suitable for both novices and skilled pilots. Safety features like low battery warnings, emergency stop, brushless motor, and propeller guards ensure a reliable and secure flight experience, with 2 rechargeable batteries providing up to 26 minutes of flight time and a convenient storage case. This drone is portable and adventure-ready. Ideal for outdoor exploration, it combines fun, safety, and high-quality imaging for an unforgettable flying experience. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video was really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.